make sure that this is simple to start. This is one of the easiest one to understand, but also this is one of the most important when you want to be more productive. And I talk about productivity. I don't just say it's important also for procrastination. If that's how to to start reading, if your book is in a case, in a drawer, and hide it in a box, you'll be sure that you will not read any book this year. So you have to make sure that more than procrastination, become more productive, that everything in your environment are ready to go. As you can see, I have a mic right here, I have something right there, I have another tripod right here. I want everything to be on plug and play. I will tell you, just take one action and you will start being productive. You will start to create something. So do the same thing. Identify your environment, something that you could change to create a lot of value. Make sure that every tool, every gear, everything that you need to make sure to become more productive are accessible in your environment. Like you just say, okay, I take my cell phone, I put that right here, and I make a video. Something easy. Or create your environment, redesign your environment to make sure that you become more productive. Okay. We keep going on the article. Take a break if you want to recharge your energy, because a lot of people, to go fast on that, a lot of people will tell you, okay, everything is about time, spend 6 hours in the library, you'll be good. Doesn't work. We already talked about this for sure. But the next thing that people just think that you have to work in a row. You say, okay, 6 hours in a row, I'm good, I'm damn good, Doesn't work, because your energy and the cost of energy increase non-linearly throughout the hour that you put. If you put 1 hour, it's not the same thing that if you put 6 hours. But after 6 hours, if you add 1 other hour, you'll be dead. Your brain gonna try to distract you as much as possible. Gonna say, okay man, cell phone, just find a app, do something else than working because I'm goddamn tired. And every time you're gonna think about your goal, I'm gonna say, okay, remember the session? No. Don't do so. You know what I mean, man? So just take some break. I invite you to systematize the thing, because if you just say, I'll take a break, your brain will just distract you until you take a break. That's really bad strategy. Just say after 2 hours, 3 hours, I'll take a 6 minutes break so you can recharge yourself, maybe find a creative solution to the problem, and become more productive at the end of the day, That's pretty funny, because when you think about this, that's non-common sense. To take a break to become more productive. But actually it does work, because if you just work your ass off, you'll be dead, and you will not, your brain will start linking the idea of working with bad mental health, I feel tired, I don't want to do so, I hate my life, you know what I mean? So just become focused, take a break and feel better about your job, and you're gonna see it's gonna be amazing. Okay, as you can see right here, if you want to make pause or see the article again, you can see right here, you have some type of example, break example, could be good, if you have any idea. And now we go for the conclusion. What I want to tell you in the conclusion is really important. You can have, as you can see on the article and now, 36 techniques, but it's better to apply one. And I'm goddamn serious with that, A lot of people just know too much technique. And they say, man, I read 200 books, I'm the man, about business, I'm so damn good, What did you accomplish? Well, I read 200 books, doesn't work. That's a really good strategy, and you won't accomplish anything when you do so. More than techniques, more than knowledge, you have to take action. So, to make it easy, because we talk about procrastination, man, I want to be known for productivity. Procrastination, I know a lot about this, You have to identify the one that you think is stackable. In all those principles that we talked about, find the one that is stackable for you, not for me. We don't have the same priority, we don't have the same brain, neither we don't have the same experience. Take the one that is stackable for you, the one that you think that will take you 20% of the effort for 80% of the result. You don't have to know everything. People just say, okay, you have to do some research. Don't do so. Don't jump everywhere. Don't do so. You don't have to know everything. Just experiment. Try to find the one that talked to you. If that's not the one, no worry. Just go back on the article and find another one. That's not a big deal, I will tell you. You found this one. You experiment. You take a time. You say, okay, tomorrow by 8 a.m. I'm gonna take a break. Maybe I'm gonna work for 4 hours. I'm gonna try to find my comfort zone, and maybe I'm gonna take a 6 minutes break. We're gonna see if that's good, and if I become better, or maybe I'm gonna try for 10 minutes next day. Experiment. try to do so. Find something that works for you, you know? Something that will work for me will maybe not work for you. So experiment for that. And the last thing is to subscribe, my brother. Come on, man. You learned so much thing now today, you know? You apply, like, you know, if you apply something, you will have so much results in your, like, you know, in your daily life. So make my pleasure. If you like this video, if you want to make sure that this channel grow, just subscribe, like the video, comment, just tell me what you will make, like, you know, what you will like for the next video, and I will make sure that I will do so. So it was my pleasure. It was Louis from Go Conquer. As I told you, like, you know, we only got one life, so man, let's go conquer it.